If you've ever dreamed of becoming an AI engineer but felt overwhelmed by where to start, this roadmap is for you. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through a clear step-by-step path to build your AI skills. We'll focus on 4 key areas. First, mastering Python, the foundation of AI/ML. Next, brushing up on math and statistics, the hidden backbone of algorithms. Diving into machine learning and ML ops, where theory meets real-world tools. And finally, leveling up to advanced topics like deep learning, NLP, and even generative AI. Along the way, I'll share must-do projects, free learning tips, and insider tips to land your dream job.
So, why choose AI engineering? Let's talk numbers. Right now, platforms like LinkedIn and Indeed have thousands of AI job openings. That's not just demand, that's explosive demand. And it's no surprise. The World Economic Forum ranks AI roles among the top jobs of the future. This isn't just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in how industries operate. Here's the big picture. Enterprises worldwide are racing to adopt AI. From healthcare to finance, AI is becoming the backbone of innovation. That means one thing: your skills will stay relevant for decades. In short, AI engineering isn't just a career, it's a future-proof passport to opportunities.
Before we jump into learning, let's pause. Ask yourself, is AI engineering right for me? Here's your quick self-check. First, coding interest. Do you enjoy writing code or feel excited to learn? Because here's the truth. Python will be your daily companion in AI development. Second, analytical mindset. Do puzzles or pattern-solving challenges spark your curiosity? AI is all about cracking complex problems with creativity and logic. This isn't about being an expert today. It's about having the drive to grow these skills. If that sounds like you, you're already on the right path.
Now, let's map out your journey to becoming an AI engineer. There are 4 stages. Stage 1. We'll start with the essentials: Python programming, data structures, and SQL. These are your foundation stones. Stage 2. We fuel up with math and statistics, along with pandas and exploratory data analysis.
Stage 3. Here's where magic happens: machine learning and ML ops. You'll go from theory to building models that actually work in the real world. Stage 4. Finally, the advanced territory: deep learning, NLP, computer vision, and even generative AI. This is where you'll be creating tomorrow's technology.
Now let's talk about the best part. You can learn all this for free. Here's your treasure map to top-tier resources. For Python, dive into free courses from YouTube channels like CTO-X or Udemy or W3 Schools, perfect for building your coding foundation. When you're ready for math and statistics, channels like Khan Academy breaks down complex concepts into bite-sized lessons, while 3 Blue 1 Brown's animations make equations come alive. For machine learning, channels like CTO-X, Krish, Naik, and Codebasics offers hands-on tutorials, and Udemy has select free courses to get you started with real-world models. And when you reach generative AI, CTO-X's YouTube channel is your goldmine, covering large language models, RAG systems, and AI agents with practical examples. On top of all of this, use code examples from Kaggle, Hugging Face, and GitHub for trying out hands-on. The best part? Every resource I just mentioned costs $0 but delivers expert-level knowledge.
Now let's talk about the most exciting part: hands-on projects that will transform your learning into real skills. These 5 projects are carefully chosen to give you end-to-end experience in AI engineering. First up, house price prediction. You'll build a regression model and deploy it as a web service using FastAPI or Flask. This is your gateway to production-ready AI. Next, tackle a real industry log classification project. Ever wondered how tech giants monitor their systems? You'll build the same kind of classifier they use daily. For your third project, we're going financial. Build an RNN for stock market gap prediction using PyTorch or TensorFlow. This is where time series data meets neural networks. Project 4 gets visual. Face recognition using your webcam or phone camera. You'll experience firsthand how computer vision powers security systems worldwide.
Finally, the crown jewel. Build an application which takes a PDF as an input and gives a question and answer chatbot as an output. Using Streamlit or Flask, you'll create a generative AI application that can actually understand and discuss documents by using techniques like RAG and LLMs. Remember, these aren't just exercises. Each one is a potential centerpiece for your portfolio that demonstrates real-world AI capabilities. Technical skills will get you in the door, but your soft skills and online presence will open the right ones. Let's break this down. First, LinkedIn. This isn't just a job board, it's your professional megaphone. Showcase your AI projects, share insights, and don't be afraid to connect with legends like Jan LeCun.
Next, GitHub. Think of this as your AI portfolio's heartbeat. Publish clean, documented code, contribute to open source projects, and let collaborators find you. Then, using blogs and social media for visibility. Whether it's breaking down ML papers on Twitter or creating tutorials on Medium, sharing knowledge positions you as a thinker, not just a coder. And while you're at it, stay ahead by tracking top AI trends. Being able to discuss what's next, that's how you stand out in interviews. Remember, in AI, your online footprint is your resume.
You've built the skills, now let's get you hired. These 4 strategies will supercharge your AI job search. First, master the ATS resume game. Beat them by using the STAR method: situation, task, action, result, and making your projects pop with metrics. Second, your portfolio website. GitHub Pages lets you create a live showcase of your work for free. Recruiters shouldn't have to dig. Your best projects should greet them like a welcome mat. Third, strategic networking. Don't just lurk. Comment on AI posts, share 1-minute project demos on LinkedIn, and tag experts when you build something cool. Visibility creates opportunity. Fourth, internships are golden. Whether paid or unpaid, treat internships as your career cheat code. Companies like Digital Nexus AI, Summit Infolabs, or Sprava offers free internships with international exposure and cutting-edge projects. Real-world experience trumps even the shiniest degree.
Before we wrap up, let's talk about the hidden traps that derail most beginners. Steer clear of these, and you'll leapfrog the competition. Pitfall number 1, tutorial tunnel vision. Watching endless tutorials feels productive until you realize you can't build anything original. Here's the fix. For every hour of tutorials, spend 3 hours applying it in your own projects. Pitfall number 2, job guarantee scams. If a course promises guaranteed AI jobs, run. Real learning comes from doing, not magic certificates. Stick to reputable free resources we discussed earlier. Pitfall number 3, the communication gap. You might build the smartest model, but if you can't explain it to stakeholders, it's worthless. Practice translating tech jargon into simple, understandable scenarios and analogies. Remember, the best AI engineers aren't just coders. They're problem solvers who ship real solutions. Now, go turn knowledge into action.
The roadmap is ready. Now it's your turn to drive. Here's exactly how to start today. Step 1, make your self-assessment or take our AI readiness test. Know exactly where you stand before diving in. Step 2, open a new tab right now and begin Part 1, Python Basics with CTO-X. Keep learning every day to complete necessary areas of Python, statistics, machine learning, deep learning. Step 3, within 2 weeks, build and share your first project, even if it's small. You do not need to build them perfectly. Sometimes perfect is the enemy of progress. Step 4, make LinkedIn your accountability partner. Weekly progress posts means 10x more opportunities. Tag CTO-X and post your progress so that we are watching and encouraging you. Step 5, comment on one AI blog or social post daily. Visibility compounds faster than you think. Know that many recruiters or your future managers are watching. And remember this mantra: frameworks change, math doesn't. Master foundations, and you'll adapt to any AI future. Get started and start moving to become the best AI engineer. I wish you all the very best.